Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the smallest changes that yield the biggest savings. First, set your thermostat 2 degrees to 3 degrees higher than you normally would while you're home. This reduces compressor runtime immediately. Once done, seal obvious air leaks at windows and doors, and inspect duct joints. Use weather stripping or mastic to stop losses. Make sure filters are clean or replaced, and clear debris around outdoor units to restore efficient airflow. These actions cut wasted energy fast. Now you optimize how the system runs so it uses less power over time. Program the thermostat with 7 degrees to 10 degrees setbacks for predictable periods, like nights or work hours, instead of constant cooling. That reduces compressor cycles. Once the schedule is set, use ceiling or portable fans to maintain comfort while allowing the thermostat to sit 2 degrees to 3 degrees higher. Finally, schedule a seasonal tune-up. Check refrigerant charge, blower motor, and electrical connections to keep efficiency and avoid costly failures. Finish by verifying savings and addressing problems quickly. You should measure consumption with a smart plug or whole home monitor to confirm lower kWh use. Compare before and after. If the unit short cycles, check that the thermostat isn't near heat sources and verify refrigerant levels. Short cycling often signals a charge or control issue. If cooling is weak despite settings, clean the condenser and filters. If that doesn't help, call a qualified technician to diagnose compressor or airflow faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.